Let's go see what my baby thinks about this hair.
I think so.
How about you think about my hair?
So I'm trying to get whatever I can. Alright.
I'm not a fan.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. So this is like a plastic that they put in here. If you can see, it's like it's plastic for the scalp part. Like, it's no way that I can finesse this. I will try my best, but through this part, it's, you can see underneath here, like they put plastic on here, then wove the hair through there. And baby, my scalp is not white like this, so I'm gonna try my best, y'all. But this wig review is an epic fail for sure. This hair is so pretty, like the color, I love the color and everything, but no, this make sense. The fuck? Look at this, a hot mess. So this what it looks like on. As you can see, look at this, a mess, a hot mess. But oh well, you guys. I can try to put something brownish tan to match your scalp, but I don't know. So, all right, my Simply Beauties, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica, and please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.